Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back, guys! I am so glad you clicked on this video because today I will be teaching you a new method in making money online where we can earn money just by copying links just like this and pasting it on this website right here. Today's method won't need any prior experience or skills at all, which means this is beginner friendly. And that this is easy. So whatever your age is, you can definitely do this and you can start earning money right now. So if you want to know more about this method today, I want you guys to stay tuned and stick with me until the end so that you won't miss out on important details. And as always, I will be walking you through all the steps here. I don't want you to go directly to the websites because you might end up not earning money at all, and we don't want that. So stick with me and let's do this together. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I post new content like this. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. So right now I am here on the first platform for today's method. So as you can see right here, earn money. Get paid by every visitor who visits your URL. And this is uii.io. Alright, this website is again uii.io. What is uii.io? This is a completely free tool where you can create short links. You can share it and then you get paid whenever someone clicks on your link. So now you can make money from home when managing and protecting your links. Basically, this is a link shortener like Bitly, but the only difference is that when people click on your link with this link right here, they'll be redirected to a window which is an advertisement before they proceed to the real link or to the real destination. And then the ad revenue will be split between you, the one who shortened the link, and this website right here, which is uii.com. So of course, in order for you to make money on this website, you have to sign up. And what you'll have to do is click on this sign up free button on the top right hand corner of your screen and this red little button right here. And when you click on that, you'll be redirected to this page where you have to register as a new member. You have to enter your username, your email address, your password, re-enter that same password, tick this box right here to agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and then register. Once you log into your account, this is what you'll see. This right here is your dashboard, and right here you can see that everything is at zero because this is still a new account, and that's understandable. So right here you will see your total views. Whenever someone clicks on your link, it'll appear here. And then here is your total earnings, your total referral earnings, and your average CPM. And as you can see here below, they have increased the CPM by 30 for 3 days. So all you have to do is just continue to use this every single day so that you will keep on generating income. Now, if you want to withdraw your earnings, all you have to do is go here at the left side of your screen and click on withdraw. And now to shorten the actual link, just click on this new shorten link up above on the left side of your screen again, okay? So when you click on that, this will show up on your dashboard. You'll then have to paste the link right here on this bar and then click on shorten. And if you want to customize your link, you can put your code here under alias and then click on shorten. Your new shortened link will then have your code in it. Right now, we still don't have a link to shorten, so we must proceed to the next step, right? But before we do that, if you guys are enjoying this video, please don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe. Now let's go back to the video. And the platform where we can get those links to shorten is none other than, drumroll please, youtube.com. So our target here is to search for videos or topics that are hot today or that are trending today, especially now during the pandemic. So I can think of a few. For example, how to properly sanitize things. And we also have how to cope up with the pandemic or how to cope up with mental health. That is also really trending nowadays. So you can search for things like that. But for me, I think the best one right now are TikTok compilations. Why? Because almost all people right now, especially the youth, are into TikToks. The percentage of people using TikTok every day is really high, and more people are using TikTok than other social media platforms. That's why I want you to search for TikTok compilations. I think that is a really great idea. So what I want you to do is come over to the search bar right here and search for TikTok compilations. Now it actually depends on you. You can search for beauty TikTok compilations, makeup TikTok compilations. We have funny videos or funny TikTok compilations and so much more. Or swag jutsu compilation. Now it actually all depends on you, but this is just my idea, okay? So let me just search for something here, and then in order to copy the link, you have to click on the video right here, open the video, and just beneath the video you can see a share button right here. Click on that like so, and then you'll see the link here of the video. So if you click on this link right here, this one right here, you'll be redirected to this video. So right now I want you to copy that, and guys, you can copy a lot of different videos, okay? We can make a lot of different links. We can shorten a lot so that we can earn more money. So I suggest that you open, let's say 2 to 3 videos at a time, and then copy those links and shorten all those 3 videos. So I want you to grab that link, this video link right here, and then let's go back to uii.com, paste it here, and click on shorten. Now that we have that, and after you have shortened some links, let's proceed now to the next step. And I want you to come over to this page right here, to this website, which is linktr.ee or Linktree. As you can see right here, the only link you'll ever need. Connect audiences to all of your content with just one link. How this works is that this is a landing page for your multiple links. So remember, you have a lot of links, right? You have multiple links, let's say 2 to 3 YouTube links which were converted. So those 3 links, they can be accessed with this one link. This is actually really helpful, and I'll explain why. So for example, you have 5 to 10 videos. It'll be easier for people to click on just one link and find the others within it than to click 10 different links at a time, right? So of course, in order to start this part of the video, you have to log in, or you have to sign up for this page. And to do that, click on this Get Started for Free button right here in the middle of your screen. And we'll be redirected to this page right here where you can create an account for free. All you have to do is enter your email address, your username, and your password. So click on this box right here if you agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy of this website. After that, click on Sign Up with Email. Once you're done signing up and once you're done verifying your account, you'll be redirected to this page right here, and this is what you'll see. This is where we'll be able to add links to our Linktree link, which will be our landing page, so that people can click on that and they will see all of the multiple links right here. So I didn't want to prolong the video, so what I did was I already added the converted links right here. As you can see, there are 3 links right here. And I need you to do the same. It's really easy. All you have to do is click on this Add New Link button right here, this purple link. So what you'll need to do is just add a title right here, and you can copy the same title from YouTube, or you can make a new title which is similar to that title. And right here below, you're gonna add your YouTube converted link to UII link. So your UII link, paste it here, and then just do that until you have, like, let's say at least 3 links. Now, what you'll have to do is you're gonna copy your Linktree link so that people will click on it. And your Linktree link is found here at the top. If you click on that, this is how it will look like if people come over to your Linktree link. Now the question is, where are we going to get audience, or where are we going to drive traffic to our Linktree link? It's actually really simple. Now, since our videos are about TikTok compilations, you can just paste it on social media. You can just put it out there. You can just make a post or make a tweet or even post a story, or you can even make a TikTok video. And that is really easy. So for example, on Facebook, all you have to do is just search for different TikTok groups. Just search there, TikTok compilations or TikTok groups. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna type in, hey guys, here are compilations of some of the best TikTokers in the world. Or here are funny TikTok compilations. And then you add your Linktree link. So when people click on that, they will be redirected to your link and then you will earn money. Same goes for Twitter and Instagram. You see on Twitter, there are a lot of different accounts where they post a lot of TikTok videos. What you can do is that you can just reply to that certain tweet, tell them that, hey, I have a compilation here for this and that, and then add your Linktree link. Or if you want to create a TikTok video, that's so easy. You just have to create a simple TikTok videos with text saying TikTok compilations in the comment section below, and then in the comment section you're gonna add your Linktree link. Then for it to show up on the FYP or the For You page, just add some hashtags that are related to your video. You can even share your Linktree link to your friends and family or your social media accounts. But this is not just limited to that. Okay, there are a lot of different trending videos and not just TikTok videos. If you want self-care, if you want self-love, you can do that. You can search for videos like that, and you can search for different groups on Facebook that are promoting self-love, self-care, and all of those things. And just like that, whenever someone click on your link, you will earn money. And that's it! If this video helped you and if you like it, don't forget to smash the like button. Hit subscribe and don't forget the notification bell. If you have further questions about this method, make sure to comment down below. I'll see you in the next video.